So next we will go ahead and create a quick lab for Ansible with the controller node and couple of worker nodes, which we will use throughout the series to learn the way to write the playbooks in different ways using the variables, loops, conditional statements. So it's all gonna be a fun. So let's get started. So I'm going to deploy this Ansible platform on Oracle VM VirtualBox. I'm going to import the server OVA file. This is a pre-built OVA, what I have made just for my reference purpose. If you want, I can upload that to the Google Drive. Just let me know. So you can see all the objects are predefined here. I'll just go ahead and say import. So it will just create a OS image for me, which is of Red Hat with a 1 CPU and 2 GB of memory. So I'm going to deploy one virtual machine for my controller and two as my worker nodes. So if I'll talk in terms of a basic requirement to set up this lab, we need a Linux OS and a Python version and custom modules using like Bash, Python, Ruby, etc. Let me deploy one more virtual machine. If you want, you can deploy this particular lab within the VMware workstation as well. You just need 3 machines. You can use the CentOS, and the basic requirement is just to ping and the host name reachability for these particular setup. So during installation, it is not required to keep the Ansible package on managed nodes. It requires only the Ansible controller, which needs to hold the Ansible package. So I'll go ahead and name this first machine as my controller. Zero one. So will be a little bit clear for us, which is my controller and worker nodes. Worker 01, and this is going to be my worker 02. So it will be easy for the identification purpose. I'll go ahead and boot them up. So you can see these are getting booted up right now. Okay, it's in our login prompt. I'll go ahead and so the default root credentials are with the red hat. I'll take the IP address that says 192.168.1.17. One dot 18, and let's see the last one. Okay, 1.19. So for this lab purpose, I'm going to use the Mobextrum, another utility, which will help me in running the multiple commands at the same time. So let's see where exactly it is in my system. Okay, now it's loading. So I'll go ahead and start the new session with SSH. I'll go ahead and name this as 192.168 1 dot I think 17. I believe the controller IP address. Yeah, 17. That's going to be my root. I give it OK. Let's log in. That's going to be my worker node, and one more worker node. Okay, I'll just go ahead and name them just for your reference purpose. Okay, so VMs are ready. So I have one controller node and two worker nodes. Okay, let me rename it back to the 02. So I'll just go ahead and rename these servers. I think that should work. Perfect. Similarly, we can do it for other nodes. of worker 01. Okay, spelling mistake. Sorry about that. So this is my worker 01. Okay, perfect. So let me see if these are reachable from here. Okay, it's pinging. And let's ping the another node. Okay, both are pinging right now. So I'm going to go ahead and start the installation of Ansible. Before that, we just need to see whether the SSH is installed on this system or not. We can verify it with the help of a command rtn-qa grab open SSH. Okay, it's there. So let's go ahead and install the Ansible. So this is my controller node. I'm going to just install the Ansible packages on top of it. No need to install Ansible on the managed nodes or the worker nodes, as this is a old version. That's why some of the repositories are failing here. But yes, I have worked with other versions too, so it works fine. So let's wait. Perfect. So it's installed. Let's check the Ansible. Let's clear it first from here. Now we just type the hyphen version and see what is the version it has installed. So Ansible version 2.9.27 got installed. So default config file is in etc ansible/ansible.cfg. So let's have a quick look at that particular file. Okay, so these are the basic default values which we have to take a look on, and one of the most important files which we will be going through to within this particular course, etc ansible host, right, where we will define the rest of the host for making the entries, right? Okay, so we will go ahead and make the entry within the host file for the rest of the host. And how we can do it is something like, let's create two groups. One is WAP group, and I'll put in WAP group 192.168.1.18, and one I will go ahead and create app group servers. If you want, we can have one single group as well, or if you want, we can have multiple groups as well. So right now what I'm doing here is I'm just configuring my rest of the managed nodes information within the host inventory file. Okay, so we have already listed our managed nodes within the etc ansible host file, which is an inventory file or a default inventory file you can call. Now I will do a small ping test to see if Ansible can able to make connection to my worker nodes, which is running on .18 and .19. Let's do a ping test. So the command is Ansible all --list -hosts. Okay, spelling mistake, sorry about the typo. Okay, now we can see both hosts are reporting the ping response to the controller virtual machine. So this is a basic setup for the Ansible what we have done right now. So in the next lecture we will go ahead and create a passwordless authentication for between the controller and the worker nodes, and we will see how few of the built-in modules work within Ansible. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us grow and bring you more amazing content. Hit that bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. Thank you.